This is the Save tool. The Save tool shows you all the files inside of your Workspace Sandbox folder. Whenever you edit a game, those files are copied to the Sandbox folder, and this tool lets you not only explore them, but launch the editors that are associated with each of the files. You can change the name of your game at the top. You can also change the type. A .pv8 is the default game file. There is also a tool file, a system file, or an art pack. Changing the extension of your game dictates to the game creator what it should do when it tries to load that file up. When you make changes in a tool, you'll notice a dot by the name at the top, which indicates that there is a change that needs to be saved. In this case, let's go ahead and update our game's metadata. Our game has now been updated, and if we were done with making changes to our game, we can go ahead and archive it, which creates a zip file based on the extension you've chosen for your game and puts it inside of our game's folder. The last thing that the Game Explorer allows you to do is open up a specific file. For example, the chip editor is only accessible by double-clicking on the data file inside of the Save Game tool. You can also load up different files as well. If you double-click on the code file, it'll open up the code editor. You can return to the Save tool and select a different file in order to view it. We can also take a look at the info file inside of the code editor and change the metadata by hand. If we open up something like sounds, it'll automatically open up the sound editor for us. As you can see, the Save Game tool allows you to access all the files inside of your Sandbox folder, as well as archive them when you're done making changes to your game.